Anyway, this one gonna be a very quick recipe for you to make at home. I want you guys to do this one at home. Ginger and cucumber with either lemon or lime. Here it is. Half of a cucumber right here. All right. Cut it up into some dices and put it into any kind of blender you have at home. Ninja blender, ordinary blender. This recipe is amazing. So right here I'm using some organic cucumber. This is some leftover organic cucumber I have. Alright, get a nice lovely piece of a ginger and simple. Remove the skin from the ginger. Do not blend the skin with the ginger. Lovely. Alright, now we're going to put roughly about 6 ounces of water. We're going to put this to the blend. There's a little bit of noise going to make for about 3 to 4 seconds. Nice and lovely. So that's exactly what you want to do. Blend it for a good period of time. Alright? Once you blend it, then what I'm going to do, alright, is make sure you guys can see exactly what's going on in the kitchen, because I don't want to burn up my blender either and run it so long. Alright? Now we're going to pour it inside of this. That is lovely. That is lovely and nice. The thing is, what you need to do, because let's get a half of a lemon or lime and simple. Squeeze it inside of it. This one didn't have any seeds, and you can see it for yourself. And you drink that first thing in the morning before your breakfast, or you can drink it before you even go to your bed at night. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. We'll have a lot more recipes. You can put some honey, but I would leave it natural like that, guys. Yeah, don't put no honey inside of it. Too much sweetness to go inside of your body. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page, Chef Ricardo. We're always there for you to give you the best recipe. Stay tuned, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. As I said, drink cucumber and ginger with lemon or lime, and see what happened to your body at home. Stay tuned, and I will see you next time.